If you want to add or remove widgets on a lock screen on Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first we're gonna go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna proceed to Customization, and we want to swipe to the lock screen over here. You can tap on the lock screen now in order to begin the customization, and then here we have the widgets area. We can tap on it in order to start adding or managing widgets. So in my case, I'm just gonna add a couple of example widgets like the pedometer in here. We have many different options to choose from, of course. Now this depends on the widget itself or the feature itself, but you should be able to usually find many different options to choose from. We have different sizes, so in some cases you have, for example, bigger widgets, in some cases they are a little bit smaller, so you can choose simply your favorite one. And besides that, we can adjust the position of these widgets, so you can see those squares. These are something like slots, so we can adjust the position of these widgets, and you can just place them however you want to, as long as there is enough space. And besides that, if you need more space, you can expand the widget area. So as you can see, we can take more area of the lock screen to have more space for widgets, but as a result, the clock is going to be much smaller. So it's up to you to decide if you prefer to have more space for widgets or if you prefer to have a normal clock. And that is pretty much it. Of course, remember to tap on and down in the upper right corner. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.